Hello, wherever you are, and welcome to our today's radio production class. Yesterday, we are discussing about the stages involved in the production of radio content, whereby you say that you need to have the pre-production stage, whereby you're going to come up with an idea what you're supposed to do and come up with a script of what you're going to disseminate. We talked about it, develop a proposal and the stages of coming up with a proposal. We also discussed about the way of coming up with the production or the actual production of the content. And we also extrapolated on how to ensure that you have edited your work under the post-production stage. But today we are going to discuss about the departments that are involved in the radio production, or else in FM stations across the globe. And you're going to find that many stations, they have different departments to ensure the smooth running of the program. And so these are some of the departments you are going to find in the radio production studios. The first of the department is what you call the production department. And you're going to find that under this particular production department, they ensure that all the news have been aligned, they have been edited, they have been compiled, and they have been also packaged according to the programs of that particular station. So production state ensures that all the content, before they are aired, before they are disseminated to targeted audiences, they are edited, the grammar used is accurate, the story is factual before the actual dissemination to the targeted audiences. Then you have what is called the creativity department, the creative department. And this department normally deals with talents, different kinds of talent that we normally use or else employ in different radio stations. Whereby maybe you might be having someone who is very good in music, someone who is very good in running out advertisement. Maybe someone has a talent of ensuring that his voice is harmonious or is able to attract the attention of the audience. So it's upon the creative department to ensure that they look for the most appropriate talent that can perform a specific task in radio stations. That is the main purpose of creativity department. They also come up with ideas of the way of enhancing or else ensuring that the department at large is in comparison to the changing trends within the society or else within the community. Then you have the traffic department. Traffic department aligns all forms of programs in the radio studio. They ensure that the program have been aligned to avoid any form of inconveniences or else any form of collision of the programs. They also ensure that all the adverts have been programmed. Whereby maybe you're supposed to have an advert that is supposed to run at 7 p.m. They ensure that this advert has been already been arranged and programmed to run exactly at 7 p.m. If there is any alteration, they have to make sure that they are able to make the necessary changes. So this traffic department ensures that all the advertisement spots are well arranged in the radio studio or else the radio programming to ensure that there is no any form of inconvenience during the production stage. Then you have the sound department. This department ensures that there is acoustic treatment of the studio, whereby they ensure that the sound program is working perfectly. If you're having equipment, the sound technicians ensure that the signals are working appropriately and according to the way they have been programmed. If there is any error in terms of sound system, this sound department is going to ensure that they rectify any form of inconveniences in the sound department. Then you have the news department. And this is one of the major departments in radio production, or else in the radio programming. News department deals with all kinds of news that are originating from the reporters. Because we are having different reporters in different localities, or else you are having correspondents, or else you are having freelancers who are coming or else jetting in different stories that are supposed to be aired. So news department ensure that they go through all these particular script, all these particular news stories. If any story needs editing, we have different sub-editors that ensure that all these stories have been edited before the actual dissemination of the targeted audiences. It might be maybe sports news, maybe business news, maybe political news, or else current event, breaking news. They ensure that all these news items have been gone through, they have been highlighted, edited before the actual dissemination to the targeted audiences. Then we have, last but not least, what we call the technical department. And these are people who deal with the engineering works, whereby they ensure that all wiring system is in order. They ensure that all the equipments are functioning optimally. If there is any error in terms of technicality, the technical department ensures that everything has been rectified in order to ensure that the program is running harmoniously. So all these are some of the main departments you are going to find in radio stations. And The number of departments in the radio station is always determined by the size of that particular radio station, or that particular organization, and the media house policy of that organization. I hope you'll be able to apply, or to be able to apply these particular skills in the real life situation. Let's meet next time at the same place. Thank you.